Mommy, making my vegan egg. And this is what I got from the flax, like egg whites.
Just remember to press them before, so.
Cool. Hold it over, so.
This guy dresser, so I'll show you for church guy. Friday tea.
Alright, you're good. That's it. It's good. It be a witness.
Egg.
I want the fruits.
Yes, we'll soon go for the fruits. Hold on.
What? That's much flour left back?
That me I say. Scott! Move your hand.
You want help?
No, I don't need any help. I soon tell you where you go help. Just hold on, a little patience.
You have yours. Can you come on. You
You know.
have yours. You're gonna put in the fruits.
I think like you can make it, don't you?
But when I say the fruits, you blend in and blend in.
We don't want to naysayers in there, I'm telling you, tell us no your first answer all the time. Yeah, because when you put the liquid in there, don't it just spread over?
You go blend it out.
The kitchen is handsome.
Pass one spoon for me, that piece.
You know, see, you know what I mean?
Beautiful.
I never see me no wine in the
They
kitchen.
ask me if
No, I don't fuck. I just something more to dry. You over there, somebody don't know.
You have all the flour, right?
Mhm. Unless me never read it right.
One go blend the fruits, guys. Go on.
What if Grandpa can help us? Ask Grandpa to help us so we can do the fruits.
No. He doesn't do that.
You don't need it no darker than
This
this.
is. Okay, so
Because it gets its own color after
When it bake, when it go in the oven, right?
it has to go in the
This next time.
piece. Now how we're going to celebrate with this cake?
When it's finished baking, you celebrate.